Young Maine Million, Alabama Phantom reporting live. Young Kobe. Yeah. Yeah. You see me, nigga? You see me, nigga? I'm comfortable. Flame on. First nigga jump, first nigga get served. And we ain't buying no curves, get flipped like a bird. Y'all running packs, we in herbs. These niggas got some nerve, trying to come at the Phantom like I won't hip handle my business. Burn a bitch like the mama a penny. Got niggas who fresh out the pen and ready and willing to go right back in. Y'all, let me get to it, how made me do it. Don't disrespect any of Bama's influence, assurance and doings. My daddy was whipping the purest before I ain't knew him. Alberta niggas about the big back bang. Glock 9 ain't about the flick flack flang. I been trying not to bang, but niggas wanna fuck with the main. On my chest and my hand, represent sick dudes get loose in here. Represent whoever you crew in here. Alabama big hat boots in here. 13, 212, my nigga, my troops in here. So whoop in here. Trying to keep it logical with audios, niggas don't respect that. If he run, turn his ass to a wetback. OG Mac, let's ball, no setbacks. Pressing the insurance, the Mexicans won't talk shit. I got some niggas who ain't G's on the ball shit. I check that ass, can't cash, might cost you. No threats, my nigga, just options. Or your bitch can get auctioned. Down on third air by the caution. False flag and culture. Drop his ass down by the Dawson's Creek, no flossing, nigga. Automobile, your coffin. Might catch you walking. Hot Scotch tell them talking. I'm a Bama boy that Hulk Swift. Them cold but the killers. Lyrical murder so venomous, enemies. Get over here with my Benjamin Scope and your king. No, there ain't no Saddam Hussein that they fucking with the Alabama Phantoms out. Serve D, better tell them Mighty Mouse can stand under that pressure. The other light skinned nigga, either. I ride for mine. Fuck Kawasaki. Back in the day, I would go in your pockets. I call it eating. Some call it robbery. Fresh out the pen and I ain't got no options. I'm going for throwing. I'm going for coke and I'm going for weed and I'm going for mollies. Hollywood dream chasing nigga. Ha. AKA okay. I know.